kitchen. On today's video, I'm going to be organizing our pantry. Now, we don't have a lot going on in our pantry currently, and that's because we knew that we were moving. So we really haven't done a lot of grocery shopping up until now. So I did want to go ahead and set up an organizational system so that we try to prevent any food from going to waste. So if you want to see how I organize my pantry, go ahead and keep watching. So I'm going to be starting off by showing you guys the different containers and sets that I've gotten. I believe mostly everything is from Target. There's like a couple items from Ikea. So let me go ahead and start with this cookie jar from Target. And if I can find the links, I'll definitely go ahead and list them down below in the description box. Then I got this other like mason jar looking thing from Target as well. I got this Lazy Susan, I think that's what it's called. And then I did get this 4-piece container set. Okay, and these are glass and they have this stainless steel looking tops on here. Here's the long one. There's this medium one. Another medium one. Again, I'll try to list all these and the prices if I can find them on the website. Moving on to the next set. This one is a 10-piece set, also from Target. All right, and here is that second set. It's really hard, sturdy plastic, and it has pretty good like sealed tops. Let me put those aside and show you guys what I got for my spices. Now before in the old house, I really would put spices in like Ziploc bags, or I would leave them in the little containers, and I just have never really liked the look of it, and I felt like it made our pantry smell. So I'm hoping this takes care of that issue. Now we went over to Ikea and we got 4 sets of these. They were super affordable. I want to say they were like $2 something for a set of 4, but this is what they look like. They're made out of glass, and again with the silver on top. And I also got baskets at Target. I actually got 2 of these smaller long ones, and then I got 6 of these, and then 2 of the big ones. Now to label these baskets, I actually found some awesome labels at Target, and I wanted to show them to you guys because I felt like it's gonna make them look really neat. So these are the labels that I found. Either write what you're gonna be putting in the basket. In my case, I'm just gonna be printing the label, and this, you know, the little piece of paper here slides in and out, so I'm gonna put it in there. And then you wanna go ahead and just stick it into the bottom part of the handle, or the bottom part that's below the handle, and then there you go, you have your label. I'm super excited to use that. And now to label my spices on the little Ikea containers, I did get a label maker, and I believe this was like $17. I did get this little 3-tier shelf organizer, and I think I got this at Home Goods for like $7.99. The price is still on it. Before I actually get started in organizing everything, like I mentioned, I'm gonna go ahead and wash all the dishes, and I'm gonna show you guys what our pantry looks like currently. There is a lot of junk food, I will go ahead and warn you, and that is because our kids eat a lot of snacks. We really haven't done a lot of grocery shopping yet because I wanted to go ahead and organize the pantry first and only get what we truly need. So let me show you guys what our pantry currently looks like. Guys, so this is our pantry currently. Again, like I told you, there's not much going on. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off by taking everything out of the pantry. We also have a box with a little bit more groceries that I just haven't put out, and I'm gonna go ahead and organize those. not, this video would be forever long. And in all honesty, I'm not sure in which category everything's gonna go, so I need a little time to figure that out. But in this big glass container, I'm gonna be putting in the linguine, so pasta. In this cookie jar, I'm gonna be placing the Trader Joe's JoJo's, which are practically like Oreos. And yes, I'm gonna be doing it like Khloe Kardashian because it does look really, really nice. So you're gonna start off by putting a layer of JoJo's or Oreos, whatever round cookie you wanna use. The labels for my spices, so I've already done one to test it out. So I did this one for this hot AF chili powder. Now I'm going to do the cinnamon and then the chile piquin. So you practically just type in what you want on your label and then you press print and it starts printing, and then once it's done you just press on the side to cut it, and here's your label. And now I'm just going to stick it on my actual spice containers. Alright guys, so these are what the labels look like. I just printed them off my computer and slid them in there. So I'm just going to go ahead and put those on the baskets, and then I'm going to show you guys the final result. I'm super excited. Alright guys, so here we are, about to show you the final result. Guys, so I'm going to start off with the first row. In this mason jar, I have cinnamon sticks. In this one, I have chocolate chunks. Then over here, I have almond flour, stevia, cereal, the Oreos or JoJo's, some nuts, beans, granola, rice, and pasta. Now moving on to the next shelf, they're labeled. So chips, so really in here I have all sorts of chips and popcorn. These, by the way, are the hot Cheetos from Trader Joe's, and they are delicious. The second basket is snacks, and in here I have gummies, granolas, and then these like fruit snacks from Target. Then on the next basket I have cookies, I mean crackers really, but I labeled it cookies. So I have cookies, panda cookies, chocolate chip cookies, and Cheez-Its, and then these brioche toast. I don't know, I get it from Trader Joe's, it's really good. Then after that I have my Lazy Susan, and you guys, look at my little salt shaker. Is it not the cutest little thing you've seen? It's a little cactus, white and gold. And of course I have sauces, Valentina, and then just other condiments that I reach for frequently. And then we move on to my spice rack, which I'm super excited about. They're not all filled in, but again, it's because we do have to do a little bit more of grocery shopping. But over here, and then also guys, some of the things are in Spanglish or some are in Spanish and English, because really in my household we speak a lot of Spanglish. So in this one I have little cubes of chicken broth, so I labeled it pollo. I have this spicy like chili powder that we can put in our caldos or soups. And let me see, this one I named Fuego because it's extremely hot. And then I have these little piquin peppers, red pepper flakes, and hot AF. Also for caldos or like sopitas. Then I have cream of tartar, I don't even know how to say that. Then this is the same as this. Then I have cinnamon, and then I have 2 more little containers of chicken cubes or pollo cubes. And over here I have a breakfast basket. I have coconut pancake mix. I have these, let's see, Cliff Bars, the pomegranate, berry pomegranate is so good. And then more kind bars. And over here, I have this instant, like oatmeal. And then over here in the corner is a little container with Mexican candy, these Mexican pops, paletas. Now let's move on to the third row. On the third row, we have the basket for cans, and really there's canned goods. There's chicken breast, there's some tuna, tomato sauce, pasta sauce. And then the next basket is the sopita basket. We have some ramen, some mac and cheese, and then this is like the kids' favorite. So we have a couple of those. The next basket is the bread basket. So we just have bread, hamburger buns, and bagels. And over here I have some extra cereal. I need to go buy containers with white tops. It's seriously gonna bug me if I don't. And then I have a bake section. So we have stuff to make brownies, and then coconut oil, which is melted because it's really hot. And then over here we have the condiment basket, you know, and that's going to include like peanut butter, honey, caramel drizzle. And then the next basket over is the plastic. So here we have anything from plastic plates, sandwich bags, aluminum foil, straws. And then now moving on to the extra baskets, I have garbage bags, plastic bags in the back. And then over here I have extras, and so we have like extra peanut butter, extra candy, extra chili powder. And then over here, these are not labeled because I ran out of the labels. But I do have like a lot of the things that I cook with. If you open this, it has a lot of dried chili peppers, and that's what I make my chiles with. I have some Jamaica to make Jamaica water. I have an onion and ajos or garlic. And then over here we have a bunch of oil. We really don't use it that much, that's why we have so much extra, but normally we buy like at Costco and stuff, so we have a lot. Alright guys, so that completes my pantry organization video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am truly happy with the results. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and I will catch you on my next video. Bye!